Hello everyone, all of you are fine. Today video is very important to you if you want to learn English. Okay, as example. Okay, see direction is speak English. Okay, then this I am eating. I am eating food. I am eating food. When you eat food, then I am eating food. Okay, next. Oh, I'm reading book. I'm reading book. I'm reading book. Okay. Next. I'm writing letter. I'm writing letter. I'm writing letter. Okay. Then I am coming here. I am going. I am going. Okay. Then I'm taking medicine. I'm taking medicine. Okay. I'm taking medicine. Okay. This is a situation. You speak English. Okay. Then I'm I'm seeing a bottle. I'm seeing a bottle. Mm, I'm seeing a bottle. Okay. Then next, I'm watching my. I'm watching my. I'm washing my head. Head. Okay. Then I'm watching my hair. This is a English. Okay. Practical English. If you want to learn English, then you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, all of you.